Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I'd like to do a quick demo of what Prezi could do better. I don't know what this icon is here. Ah, it shows the whole thing. Alright. So let's go ahead and start, and let's see. Oh, look at that. Didn't even start where I wanted it to. If I go to there's no full screen here. Where's the full screen? I want full screen. Doesn't do anything. Let's see if I go. No, that's not going to work. You can't go full screen? That's okay. Well, that's full screen option for showing would be a nice, good start. That's weird. That's really weird. Why isn't there a full screen option? And this is so annoying. I've done this a dozen times and it still keeps. Alright, now I turn it off. Alright, so okay, what Prezi could do better, I'm going to add allow full screen viewing. Click OK. Alright, and actually I didn't have to click OK, I could have just clicked, or just hit the escape key. So, spacebar, show, and now I'm going to click down here and go to the beginning. What Prezi could do better, let's walk through it. Yes, I did check their community site. I'm happy to see they're using Get Satisfaction. Get Satisfaction. Hit the escape key to close the edits, but there's no hotkey for how do I say this? No hotkey for creating new items, as far as I can tell. Maybe there is one out there. I don't know. I haven't seen it. I haven't found it. So let's spacebar to get out. Spacebar again. And let's continue with the presentation. Okay, they use Get Satisfaction. Hotkeys. Must have hotkeys. How to create short paths. I've already figured this out. Drag the center dot in the path. Here's the video. Create new entries without having to click OK. That would be very nice. Workaround is hit the escape key. Hit the escape key to end edits. I showed you that. Really don't like the mouse, and I'm not alone in that. Easy way to change path. I did a video on that one as well. Show privacy settings on the front screen. This, let's see if it shows here. Okay, and right here. There is no, this is my opening screen. No, actually it's not, sorry. TikTok. Prezis, come on, there it is. Okay, in this UI, there is no way, let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, there's no way for me to see what is the privacy settings automatically. It says show all, but I want to see whether or not they're locked right here in the UI. There's plenty of screen real estate here. Let's show a lock key so that I don't have to click on it or show whatever, etc. Alright, and now let's go to the next step. Export tools. Must have export. Export as SVG would be a good start. Web standard format. Definitely need the text and the path number, at least the text. Preferably in the order in which it's pathed. I want to share the information as an email, and I may not always be a Prezi user. $60 a year gets pretty pricey, and they don't have any kind of user reference thing to defer the cost. So it's $5 a month that I could be spending on charity or beer. Export as video. Can't believe they don't have it yet. OGG or AVI, or I'd even add toss in WebM in here, or some or some other free platform friendly, not FLV or what is that, Flash. The future is HTML5. I hope they embrace it. So let's get my path in here. You can see what the paths do. It gets really messy very quickly. Let's actually switch that. No, let's drag that off there. And we'll do this. There we go. Control S, and we'll go back to play mode. Alright, so WebM, AVI, those are good formats. Make it easier to search across documents. I can't search. Let's go back. Go back. Oh, sorry. Other way. Other way. Hit the space key. Control F. I get a frame. How do I search? I mean, really, how do I search in here? Colors, show, path, frame. There's no search. Where's the search? Okay, no search as far as I can tell. Show what objects in the prezi are not connected to a path. Very important. The wish way to create interactive applications. I'd like a library of widgets, a library of software design tools. Each object given a unique ID, and then have those users connected to those IDs as well, so that I could create a link that jumps to another place. So let's take a look. I will show you what I mean. I'm going to take this link here, Control C, and let's go back right here. So I'm going to I say I can't create this as a, I don't know how, rather, to make this into a URL. There is no URL setting. I've only got send backward front. So in order for me to create a URL link, I have to double click and then paste, click OK, and now let's go ahead and play that. Oh, right. Now this is where it becomes important to have a path to show me what objects don't have a path. This one doesn't have a path, and it's not a hot link yet. So, alright. Thanks for your time. I hope it's been useful for you. Prezi is really powerful, but it's got some real shortcomings. And among them are the lack of export tools, lack of hotkeys. Let's zoom in on hotkeys. This is a big one. Hotkeys. And being able to select objects sometimes can be a real pain. Hotkeys. Alright. Export, etc. Export as video. Privacy settings on front screen. Make it easier to search across the documents. It's a big one. Thanks for your time. Happy computing.